Alright, this is Ubaid on behalf of V Electronics, and in this video we'll continue solving bird problems relevant to linear equations. Okay, so starting with number 50 over here, a web services company charges $2.50 a month plus 14 cents per gigabyte of storage on their system. Okay, write a function that gives the cost of storage per month in terms of the number of gigabytes stored. How many gigabytes are stored if the bill for this month was $6? Okay, so now we know that we have a variable over here, and that variable is 14 cents. So 14x, okay, for 0.14x, okay, plus $2.50 will be your base fee. Okay, so we can go ahead and come up with an equation. We know that cost equals your base fee, which is $2.50, plus the variable fee, which is 14x. All right. Okay, so $2.50 per month plus 14 cents per gigabyte of storage on their system. Okay, this could be storage on their servers, it could be storage on a computer they share, okay, so on and so forth. Okay, so C equals $2.50 plus 14x, or 0.14x rather. Okay, so now, okay, how many gigabytes are stored if the bill for this month was $6? Okay, so if C, or cost, equals $6, okay, how many gigabytes of storage? Okay, so what is X? All right, so we know that this is 6, and we know the equation, this is 2.50 plus 0.14x. So now we have to solve for x by isolating x. So to isolate x, 0.14x equals 6 minus 2.50. Okay, so x equals 6 minus 2.50, so x equals 3.5 gig. Okay, so if you're running a cloud storage company, or if you're running a computer rental company, okay, where you basically rent your computers for people who want to use it to work in your country, for example. Let's say they're located overseas and they need a local IP address, okay, and a server. Okay, they might use your computer, okay, for that reason. Okay, this is something that's applicable to that kind of business. All right, now let's take another example. All right, so further down, okay, a company in its first year of business produced 1,200 brochures. Okay, so this has to do with advertising expense on your T2125. Okay, for a total cost of $5,050. Okay, the following year, the company produced 500 more brochures at a cost of $2,250. Okay, use this information to find a linear function that gives the total cost of producing brochures from the number of brochures produced. Okay, so first year of business, 1,200 brochures. So total number of brochures, this is 1,200. Okay, so total brochures, this is 1,200. All right. Okay, next. Okay, total cost is 5,050. Okay, so total cost of producing these brochures, this is 5,050 in the first year. All right. Now, the following year, which is the next year, the company produced 500 more brochures at a cost of $2,250. Okay, so this is year one, and this is year two. Okay, so we know in year two, total brochures produced. This is brochures. This will be 500 brochures. Okay, so 500 brochures. Okay, and total cost for these brochures. Okay, this will be 2,250. So this is $2,250. Okay, so now we can write an equation for year one and year two. So we know that this is 1,200 brochures, so 1,200x. We don't know how many brochures were printed. So X stands for number of brochures equals 5,050. Okay, and we don't know how many brochures were printed in year two. Okay, so we'll use another variable, which is Y. So we know that 500Y equals 2,250. All right, so to write this in an equation format, we'll basically type in 1,200x plus 500y. This will be 2,250, okay, plus 5,050. Okay, this will be $7,300. Okay, so this will be your equation. All right, now to solve for x, you will need to sub in a value for y. In order for you to find y, we can go back to year two and divide 2,250 by 500. This will get you your y. Okay, so 2,250 divided by 500, this will be 4.5. So y equals 4.5. Okay, we can do the same for x. We know that x equals 5,050 divided by 1,200. Okay, this will be 5,050 divided by 1,200. This is 4.21. Okay, so now we sub in the value. So we know that y, this is 1,200x plus 500y. So we know that y is 4.5. Okay, so this is 7,300. In order for you to find x, you will need to isolate x. So x equals 7,300 minus 500 into 4.5. This will be 2,250. So 2,250 all divided by 1,200. So if we do the math, this will be 7,300 minus 2,250 divided by 1,200. 4.21. Okay, this is 4.21. Okay, so we have 4.21. Okay, this will be your x, and we can verify this figure over here. Okay, we know that x is 4.21. Okay, you do the same for y. In order for you to solve for y, you sub in x. Okay, and x will be 4.21 over here. Okay, you should get 4.5. Okay, so this is how you verify your solutions. All right, so moving forward. Okay, so apart from that, this is Obey on behalf of V Electronics. Have yourself a great day.